Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change email address on Ionos. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to log into your Ionos dashboard and then come to the top, click on menu, click on email right here. You'll see all the domains and contracts you have listed. If it prompts you to sign in, go ahead and do that. And now I want you to just choose the domain, right, that your email address you want to change is. Then what I need you to do is just click on the email address that you want to go ahead and change. So click on this one right here. And then what I need you to do is come here where it says email address. I want you to just go ahead and click on this. And now you're able to actually change the email address, okay? So you can type in anything you want right here. So let me just go ahead and add Pioneer at the front of this email address and then click here on change email address. Now, as you can see right here, your email address has been successfully updated. There you go. And that is how to change email address on Ionos.